select menu query and click on create again, and again select form. This is very important form because this form have our menu. So first of all, select book and user and delete this, and select this first name, last name and issue date, and but don't delete this, just cut it, control plus X, press, and now go to design and select combo box here and click on next. Okay, next, and here just select only one field, book name. Okay, click on next, and here also select book name. Next, next, and here select store and book. Okay, now drag and here also set name book name. Okay, again select combo box. We need 3 to 4 combo box. Click on next, and here select this. Click on next. Here also select. Click on next, next, and store in book table, because this field related to book table. Here author. Okay, again select combo box. Click on next, next, and select serial number. Again select serial number. Serial number is a field of book, so here you select book and finish this. Okay, and here write serial number, and now here press Ctrl V. You already selected 3 fields, cut it, and now here paste it. First name, last name and issue date. Okay, so okay, select issue date and data format, select short date. Okay, now everything is okay. ID, book name, author, serial number, first name, last name and issue date. Sorry, one field is required more. Again control plus X and select one more combo box here for user. Select user table, click on next, select user role, click on next, user role, next, next, click on store, and here also select user, next, and finish this. Okay, here give name user role. Okay, now press Ctrl V and here. Okay, everything is good. Okay, now select button, go to design and select button, drag and drop, simple, click on record operation and add new record, select, finish. Okay, save this menu form. Okay, this form is ready. Now select menu query and click on create. I need report. So select report wizard and here select ID. This is very important step. Focus it, select book and select here book name, author, serial number. Okay, now go to user table and select user role. And now select again main query and here select three fields first name, last name and issue date. Okay, click on next, next, next and here give ascending order. Click on next and here select landscape. Here if you want to give name of report so you can give title. So just simple write report finish. Okay, our report has been successfully created. Now design this report. So design it. Okay, this is good. And okay, just follow my steps. This is very, very interesting. Okay, now select these fields and design it. Go to format and here you can set font size and bold it. Okay, select all fields, change the font size of every field and bold all fields.